guys, it's Lem here again, your tech guide, and today's video we are going to be checking out the sizes of the Samsung Watch 3, 45, and 41. A lot of you guys are probably thinking which is the best size for you, and today we're going to try to help you out to pick the right size for your wrist. So for example, my wrist, I do have a small wrist, and my measurement on this is 6.5 inch or 16.5 centimeter. So it's a very skinny wrist, and as you can see here, we do have a reference on how you should wear your watch, or what kind of size of watch you should be wearing. So let me just put this on the screen here so that you guys could see. Okay. All right. So based on the diagram here, if you have a wrist diameter 6 inch or less, you should be wearing 34 or 36 millimeter. If you have a diameter of 6 to 7 inches, that should be between 38 to 42 millimeter. And 7 to 8 inches, that would be 44 to 46 millimeter. So in my case, my wrist size is 6.5 inch. So I'm in between the 6 to 7 inches. So 41 would definitely suit me the best, and 45 will be too big for me, slightly too big. All right, so as you can see on the diagram here, there should be a 2 inch, or there should be a gap, a small gap in between the watch and the wrist, where the watch handle or the watch arm is located. There should be a small space in between. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys an example here so you can really see the difference between these two. Okay, so there it is, 45 and 41. Okay, this one I do have a what is that, an add-on accessories on the bezel, but it's not hindering the size of the watch. And I'll show you guys an example how it would look like on my wrist. Okay, so this is the 41 millimeter. As you can see, it fits perfectly well on my wrist. The arm of the watch is not protruding outside beyond the size of my wrist. It should be inside, meaning that is a perfect fit. All right, I'm gonna show you guys on this camera so you can really see what it looks like on my wrist. Okay, that's a 41 millimeter. Okay, let's grab the 45. Okay, there's the 45. As you can see, the arm of the watch is already extended out the size of my wrist. So meaning, based on the watch guide here, it is too big for you. Okay, let's put in this camera here. Okay, but anyways guys, it's really up to you, you know, Nowadays, a lot of you guys folks are wearing big watches, and that's what it's in right now, the style and everything. So to be honest, guys, I don't really care about the watch guides. It's just a template to, if you really want to be precise on the size of your watch. But honestly, the 45 on my skinny wrist is not even bad looking. It's not, I don't know, it doesn't look too big. If you look at it in person, I don't know if in camera how it translates, if it's big or not, but it's not too bad at all, guys. So like again, if you are buying a smartwatch, especially the battery on these watches, they're quite huge difference between the 41 and 45. And if you're basing it on just the battery itself, and you don't really care about the size of the watch, definitely go for the 45 millimeter because you will get more extra juice out of it compared to the 41. And if you haven't seen my battery test on these, go check out my other videos. You will see the difference between the two, guys. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this video will help you guys out, make and choose the right watch for you. And it's really up to you what kind of watch size you want to wear if you do have a skinny wrist. So that's pretty much it. If you have any other questions, just leave me a comment down below. And if you have any other video suggestions, you know, give me a shout out so I could try to make a video for that. And once again, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
That's my secret.